Hey guys, welcome back. So I have an Amazon product review to share. I am going to be testing out this projector, seeing how well it works. I did receive it from a seller on Amazon, and this video is being sponsored, so I have to give the company a really big thanks for, sponsoring today's review. But you guys know I'm going to be honest with you all about, this product. I don't sugarcoat anything. I'm going to tell you exactly how I feel about it. But this is the case that it comes in, and oh, let me get a close-up on the company's name. But yeah, they sell these projectors on Amazon. So I just have everything out. It comes with the power cord, it comes with a remote, and then you have some more like cables and stuff. The projector does come with a lens cap, so that's great just to protect it if you're not using it. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and set this up out here. All right, so I have the projector screen. It does come with like some peel and stick backing, and you can just hook it. It has hooks as well inside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has like the peel and stick backing with some hooks, because this comes with like loops and you can just hook it on. So that's good. You don't have to like put any holes in the wall. Don't mind how it looks out here. I know it's not cute at all, but it's not time for me to start on the patio because I'm trying to do inside. But yeah, so we're just gonna continue on. So you can connect this to your computer using like the USB cables. I'm not using that. I am going to be using my phone and just do like mirror screening. So yeah, I'm not connecting it to the TV or anything, but they do give you like the USB cables and like, the different cables if you want to connect it with your computer, your TV. But I'm just going to show you guys how to do it like from your phone. This is how you get it in focus. All right guys, so I let it get darker because it was like way too bright to really see the screen. What we plan to do is like kind of camp out on the patio because I don't really mess with the woods. So the closest you're going to give me to camping in the woods is right here on the patio. So that's what I have plans on doing when it gets warmer out. We come out and we have like a tent and stuff, and we're just gonna like set it up like a campsite, because you guys, I don't mess with woods. So now I'm just gonna select the input source so that it can like mirror my phone. So you're just gonna go to the top, and up here is where you have like your play button as well, and you can also like use this if you don't want to use the remote. You can also use this. So I'm just gonna press this so I can select the input. So when you press it, you will see it's gonna come up, and to bring it up on the remote, you're just gonna press this right here and then select, go down to screen mirroring, and then it tells you exactly what to do when you select that. And now it has my phone, so I can just go into my movies, and you see now my phone is on the screen. So I have The Good Doctor playing. Let's just go ahead and put it on. I'm gonna turn my screen this way.
What happened when you jumped up?
Okay, it's not working. Alright guys, so I had to come inside because it is really cold outside, and I was having some issues like trying to set this up so that it can play like Netflix and movies on Netflix. So I came inside, set it up again, and I just put it on YouTube. You know what? Let me pull up one of my videos because I just uploaded a video today. So I'm going to pull up my video.
Well, you know what? I think I really have.
Let me start it from the beginning.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to share some.
Okay. So let me fix this. I know it's like a little out of focus. Okay, the screen keeps freezing. Now this could be, a Wi-Fi issue. We tend to have a lot of issues with our Wi-Fi signal. Alright guys, so I am using the computer now. I was having so many issues with using the phone and just trying to mirror the screen. Alright, so that is so much better. It's not glitching. It's smooth. I guess it works better when you connect it with like the cord instead of trying to mirror your phone screen. But that could be like my Wi-Fi and just like my phone, because it looks good. The quality is so much better too because it's not glitching. It looks good. It's really clear. Wow. This is Greenleaf. I heard it was a really good show. I might have to binge it, but yeah, that looks really good. All right, so that is my review, guys. I had a lot of issues trying to connect it with the phone, but that could be my terrible Wi-Fi. But it works really well if you like connect it with your computer, which a lot of people tend to do when it comes to projectors. They're hooking it up with their computer, especially if they're doing something like work related. You know, you hook it up with the computer, so it's definitely gonna work really well with that. I like it. I will have this linked in the description box if you guys want to test it out. Maybe you can get it to work better than I can with your phone if you have like good Wi-Fi. It does look really good when you connect it with the computer and just like use the like HDMI. You can also use a USB or an AV cord. You can also use the SD card on this too. Like, I guess if you have movies or something saved on an SD card or some type of document that you need to pull up, then you can just put a card in there. But I'll just use the HDMI cable because it's working for me. So I will have it linked in the description box if you want to get your hands on it, guys. That's going to be my review. I hope you enjoyed watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.